Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread for December 2nd through the 8th in my catch-all, which is the Moody Florals. I'm going to be using a couple different things. So I think I'm going to be using scalloped boxes from Mojo Jojo, and I'm going to be using a Santa's Helper book from Easter Case, which you can use my code to get some money off. Anyway, I'm thinking of creating two different scenes in my planner. They have these like pre-made kind of mini scenes in the books, and that's what I'm going to be using. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I'm so happy you're here and that you found me. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for spending more time with me. And look how beautiful this is, right? Like, I love this scene for some reason. It just makes me really happy. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. So yeah, next is the other side, and I don't know, I just want to do kind of a cozy scene up there too. How about this one? Yeah, I think that works. Super cozy and pretty. So next up is my checklist, because I can't live without those, as you guys know. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Yeah, my outfit matches, and it's not on purpose. I did not wear green just for the spread. I've been filming most of the day, so bear with me as I do all of this. But yeah, checklists first, as always. So I think that is good. Let's see. Yeah, that is working pretty well for me, so I'll keep going. Okay. And then one more right there on Sunday. Awesome. Okay. So all of my checklists are done. I can go ahead and apply boxes, and then we'll go ahead and create the rest of it. So my boxes, those little ones, are for work schedule. So I work 4 days a week typically, and I keep track of my hours that way. So I'll go ahead and do that. And apply them accordingly. But yes, I love this scene with the Christmas tree. It's making me think of Christmas, and it's so cozy that I'm loving it. Okay, keep going. So bigger boxes, obviously, for different things, but that's what I'm going to be doing right now, just adding those throughout. I need one on Monday, and then the other side of the page. But yeah, I think these are coming out adorable. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm not working, but I do have parties to attend to. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, Sunday is the last one. And then let's go ahead and now fill in the little blanks here, because as you guys know, I like having a pretty full spread. Those of you who join me and follow me in my plannering journey, you probably already know that this was not going to be it. So we're going to be adding quite a bit more. We're going to be working with all of these little stickers here and go from there. So yeah, let's see. We have that little jug that I like. I need like a little basket, maybe a star, like little things like this that I really enjoy adding. Let's see. See, like I just put them on the back of my hand, and yes, my hands are extremely clean. I wash them so much before planning sessions because this is what I do, and I don't want any residue to transfer. I do not put lotion prior or anything like that, so it's just clean hands. Okay, next up, I need like characters in here, like girl or something. I don't know. I do, but I don't know where. Oh, I think I have like individual Christmas girls or winter girls from Crafty Planner Queen. Maybe we can use those. Let's see. Yeah. See? I print these for a reason and a season. So I have big ones and small ones. I'm gonna use one of each. So we're gonna put this fancy lady that has my style on this side. And I'm gonna put this girl right next to the gifts, like she's walking in. Well, the scale's kind of smaller, but that's okay. I can live with that. I'm not gonna print another one. So yeah, I think that works. And then let's put this winter babe right there. And then I think that's it. So as I'm filling up the spread, I'm gonna be adding other elements like quotes and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna punch through and add, because I never know like how much room I need to write, because things change and things add and emergencies happen. So I usually leave room for those until I write. But that is it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments. I'll see you soon for another one. Bye.